Good afternoon everyone. I am dietitian Rashmi Sharma from Green India Healthcare. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है today's topic food habits in kids. Kids like from 6 months till 2 years. It is a very crucial time for a kid to develop their food habits to enhance their taste buds. So parents की first duty for the parents to develop taste buds, they have to introduce all food. All food means like in a day 500 ml milk minimum and proteins, dali, semi-solids and cereals, oats and wheat or a cream of wheat. So how can we develop habits? You have to maintain 5 meal plan, a systematic timings for kids, because if you maintain systematic time for kids, they will develop lifelong for them. They will feel hungry on that time after 1 year if you maintain that food habits in them, like morning, mid-morning, lunch, evening and the dinner. From 6 months till 1 year, you have to introduce high calcium, high iron rich foods, vegetables, fruits, milk, pulses. And those who are non-vegetarians, they can introduce meat and chicken, meat with chicken and the red meat also. So how to prepare that, how we can maintain that, which is very much necessary to enhance food habits, to enhance taste buds. If your child cripping so much, if your child asking for food, if your child is not asking for food, then what habits we need to change in them? First of all, if your child was not okay with the milk, because from 6 months till 1 year, those kids who don't have habit to take milk, formula milk or cow's milk or buffalo milk, they have to add some powdered milk in their food in a form of soups, broths, in a form of semi-solid food of like made of suji. And these foods time to time will develop, because it's a very long topic. But the first important, I will go one by one. First, timings, which are very much important. Second thing, the type of food you are giving. Third, the type of food means calcium and iron rich foods. Third, be adventurous with the child. Don't force feed your child. ज़बरदस्ती मत खिलाइए उन्हें कि खाइए खाइए, because 1 year तक धीरे धीरे small and frequent meal is necessary. But after 1 year, try to develop their habit to eat by themselves. Pick their food and give them a small portion to eat. So these small changes, if you can bring in your child's habit, it will bring best results in their health for a long time. So for today, thank you so much. I'll share small information with you, because so much thing in this I'll share tomorrow. So for today, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.